This is just a short video to show you where we're located in the Bahamas. We're on this long, narrow island, 145 miles long, called Eleuthera. We're located right in the central. The Atlantic side has some beautiful white beaches and blue water and just very unpopulated. A few drone shots here to give you a little perspective. Enjoy the video and thank you for watching.